about to return this very fun Mazda CX-50 all-wheel drive SUV after a 500-mile road trip. Compact SUV sitting on 20-inch rims. Go Mazda. A wide and slightly lowered SUV compared to bigger compared to the Mazda CX-50. Auto trunk, decent amounts of cargo space, rear seating, ample amounts of decent amount of knee room, kind of hard to cross your feet but pretty good. Lighting, air vents, storage center, could easily fit seat 3 adults back here, but preferably 2 with the armrest down. So exterior is very rugged and wide. Back seat is comfortable enough, though the headroom space is kind of low. Hop into the front, you get a very nice and spacious cabin, very wide. Push button start. Greeted with the customary Mazda beep. Starting from the front, what's different is this does have a panoramic sunroof, moonroof, sunglass holder, dome lights. The dash is more of a truck-like design versus a sedan like the CX-5, but it's very clean, well laid out, has physical buttons for the climate control, and what is rare on Mazdas is ventilated seats. Very good. Go Mazda. You should have more of that. Storage space, 2 cup holders, gear shift, drive mode, infotainment control, and volume control knob, auto park hold. Center console is a split design right here with a standard size center console space. You have wireless charging right here. In addition, you also have wireless Android Auto, so that's another big improvement. Go Mazda. Standard size glove compartment. Moving on over here, you got a analog / digital, half analog, mostly analog, half digital design. You have your lighting controls on the left steering column, wiper controls on the right. Very nice. Another good one, auto sensing windshield wipers. Go Mazda. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, which is standard, and also your Bluetooth controls. Now, one thing I have to say is something with all Mazdas is the steering wheel. It's nice that it's leathered wrap, but it's just too thin It just doesn't have substantialness, and the leather material is super thin as well. And on long road trip, it kind of hurts the hands, you know. So Mazda needs to put more cushioning, making the steering wheel more substantial. It's one of the things that will, if you want to be in the nice luxury market, gotta have a substantial, good feeling steering wheel, something that the driver interacts with the most. Yeah, very, very necessary. Air vents, memory seat controls, another good one as well. Power windows and locks, great combination of soft rubber and leather stitchings. Boy's audio system, which is another nice one. So let's take this on the road real quick and talk about how it drives. So the most outstanding feature of this Mazda CX-50 is its handling. Like all Mazda, this is a great handling SUV, compact SUV. It handles like the sedans, which is great. And sometimes I notice, sometimes I feel like I forget that I'm driving a SUV. I feel like I'm driving a sedan sometimes with this one. Very easy to maneuver in parking spaces, which I find that has to do with the handling as well. Hang on, let me take this on a acceleration. So it is a 187 horsepower engine, 2.5 liter, which is basically the same as in the other vehicles, which isn't, it's quick enough, it's serviceable enough, it's not a speed demon. You may be better utilize using the sport mode, get used to engaging sport mode for acceleration, because it really does help out because of the the different revs on here. But the engine is not the star of this vehicle. It is the handling. So back to the handling. It's tight in parking spaces. It's great on the in the city, stop and go traffic, and it's also great on the open highway. Very smooth, very comfortable. The only thing that I do not like is that it has a louder it's just the cabin noise is a little bit noisy, a little bit loud on there. But great all-round SUV. On top of that, since the CX-50 looks a little bit more rugged, it does have an option in its drive modes for off-road. I haven't had a chance to test it off-road, but it seems it can be more than capable. The all-wheel drive system can handle the off-road like that. On a full tank of gas, you're going to get about 340, so that's pretty standard. 340 miles to the gallon, with gas mileage of roughly, on average for both city and highway, anywhere from 27 to 30 miles to the gallon, which is just an average normal range. Definitely give this an A for a rental car. It checks everything. Wants a fun, engaging ride. It's quick enough, serviceable enough power. It's very comfortable. The suspension is super comfortable, not too firm, not too soft. Braking is responsive as well. So definitely plenty of cargo space and cabin space to fit multiple adults with ease. And definitely a no-brainer. If you get if this is your only option, or you have other options and you're unsure, you can't go wrong with these Mazdas. So let me know what you think about these Mazdas. I know a lot of my viewers are Mazda enthusiasts. Let me know what you think about the CX-50. Especially, let me know what's the difference between a CX-5 and a CX-50. And don't tell me the CX-50 is based on the CX-30 platform. I don't know what that means. All right, enjoy the end of the POV drive video as I take this back to the rental car facility.